Oh hi, I didn't see you there.
Ever wondered what happens when you CNC machine a chicken jockey but your G-code goes wrong? Let me show you. Hi, I'm Jake, the Director of Intrepid Development. We're a team that builds software solutions. We're thrilled to announce that we'll soon be launching an app that makes G-code generation for CNC machines much better than what's currently available, at least for cheap. For those who might not know, G-code is the programming language that is used to control CNC machines. It tells the machine exactly how to move and cut the material. When it's not perfect, you can end up with mistakes in your project. Today I'm working on this fun project, machining a chicken jockey, a nod to the popular game Minecraft. When you sometimes see skeletons riding chickens, and zombies and stuff, it's riding chickens. As you can see, the CNC machine is cutting away at the wood, bringing the design to life. But wait, look closely. See these extra lines here? They shouldn't be here. This happened because the Z-axis of the CNC machine didn't lift up properly between cuts. In other words, the cutting tool stayed plunged in the wood, creating these unwanted marks. This is a classic sign of suboptimal G-code, the code that tells the machine how to move, and it wasn't perfect, leading to this mistake. But don't worry, we're solving this problem. Our upcoming app will generate highly optimized G-code, ensuring that your CNC projects are executed flawlessly, without any errors like this. With our app, you'll be able to create G-code that is precise, efficient, and tailored to your specific needs, whether you're a hobbyist or a professional. If you need any software developed, from apps to websites, you can check us out at intrepiddev.com.au, or for our CNC machine code app, we have text2g.io. Thanks for watching, and remember that at Intrepid Development, we turn your ideas into reality.